I had an overnight flight to Split. Morning walk along Marjan Park. Interesting experience using 3D goggles. Part of Diocletian Palace from a seaside. Game of Thrones Museum, Split City Center, with many relics from the movie. Walkway to KRKA waterfalls from car park, not recommended for children, it's quite steep. There is a separate path to reach waterfalls to admire nature. Here we are watching Skradinsky Bug waterfalls. This is a coastal walk to Nugal beach in Makarska, 1.5-hour drive from Split. Nugal beach is naturist beach, please respect it, but anyone can use it. And now, at the end of the day, sunset.